Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and I love to do hauls, makeup tutorials, some fashion inspo, little home decor. If that's something that you would like, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below. Join the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. So I wasn't planning to film today. I just got home from work. I look a little bit disheveled. Maybe I should have put on some lipstick, but I wanted to show you guys my TEMU haul because I'm feeling a little cluttered. So I'm going to be taking out some pieces that I'm not going to be using now that we're going into fall, but I wanted to try a different kind of storage. So let me show you. A lot of this is for, you know, decorating and not decorating, like storage, organization kind of thing. So I got, you know, those fancier closets that a lot of the, you know, fashionistas have here in YouTube where the pants are like this. So I got this hanger, and so it goes like that, and you hang it like that on the pole. So I hang it like that, and then I slide in the pants. So I feel like this is just like having hangers, except I feel like it'll be easier to pull them out and then push them back in. Like I can pull it out, take out the pants, hang it up, put it back, kind of thing. So I picked up this. I'm gonna give it a try. I think I'm gonna move the pants to the bottom and put the shirts on top, just to see how it's gonna look. So that's how the hanger looks, and it goes like that. Now I could use this in the closet. I can use it on that side and have a couple of pants, you know. So I wanted to try different kinds of storage, different kind of things. Sometimes when you're pulling in and out the hangers, you're like, it becomes a bit. So the fact that these pull out and you can get your pants out and then put it back, I feel like that might work. So yeah, I got these. Okay, so that's how that looks, and I think I like that better than that. So I think I am gonna order 2 more of these, put it here, and then just try to like go through the stuff I'm not using, get rid of, and yeah. And I don't think I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it, because there's a lot of stuff that I am gonna start taking out, because I want to bring out, you know, my winter pants, kind of like what I have on today, and take some things out. And by some things I mean like this floral, because this is very thin. So that's not something I'm going to transition in the fall, because I'm going to be cold as hell. So I got that. I got everything here, but so I ended up getting 2 of these because, again, I got 2 packs because, again, it's 2 hangers and I'm getting in a bunch of pants. So that's going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair of pants. That's 10 pants, 10 hangers. So that's 10 hangers that I'll have for like tops, something else, you know, that I can put, you know, maybe my puffer coats, my jogger sets, and then have like my work pants or silkier pants on here. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. Hopefully it comes out and it looks the way I like it, because if it does, then I'm gonna pick up 3 more and have it lined up like that, where I can just pull out and then you don't see like all these different, like I try to keep it white, but I feel like they're different kind of hangers even though they're white. So it's looking a little, so yeah, I got 2 of these. Put you here. And then I got this. So a lot of the bodysuits, I'm gonna put here, you know, spaghetti strap, I'm gonna hang them here. Again, I'm gonna put the image of how that looks, how this looks, so you get an idea, because going into fall, you still want to layer. You know, you want a spaghetti strap, then maybe a cardigan, then your coat, a scarf. And then as you go places, I take the scarf off, maybe I'll take the jacket off, and then I still have a cardigan, sweater, you know, or maybe the sweater's a little itchy, you put a cardigan underneath. You know, I still need the cardigans. So I rather have it like this, and then it has this little hook here, as you can see, that I could put a belt or a silky scarf that maybe I'm wearing as, you know, I don't know, whatever. But I feel like I can hang them here, or I can hang them in the other closet and have them all together, because sometimes when they're double out in the drawers, they get lost because I'm trying to stack them, but then I'm like, you know, and I keep pulling like the same stuff. So if I can put like these bodysuits and stuff into something like this and have it all together, that might work for me. So I got that. And then I got this because this has 2 poles, right? That side has 1. So if I can do, I bought a whole pack of these, and these, what you do is you take your hanger, right? That goes on the hanger, and then the other hanger goes here. So if I put this here, right, and then the blouse here, now I have 2, and I don't have to, you know, waste space, because I feel like the bottom sometimes is like wasted space, because now going into summer, I don't have these long cardigans, I don't have like the flowy kimonos, you know. It's more of blouses, knits. A lot of the knits I'm not gonna hang because I don't want to get those things. So if I'm putting up like jogger sets and things like that, you know, I'm still gonna want to wear, even though I'm saying I want to dress up more, I still want to have like options. So if I do a set, it's together, you know, that space that I've saved. So I got a whole bunch of these hooks, and they're like S hooks. So we're gonna see if I can make this look a little bit more organized than what it is. And looking through TEMU, they have a lot of stuff for organization. So I was like, you know what, this side I want to try to maximize and get as much that I can see that I'm gonna wear, that I know I want to see and wear. I was thinking of getting that little hook with the shelving to put in sweaters, but I'm thinking that I might move some of this down here. You guys don't really see the bottom, so I can probably stack sweaters and have it all where I can see it, and then on the top I can put like my bags, because I feel like a lot of it is decor. Girl, I need space to store, not decor. So that's what I'm thinking. So I'll let you know about this. And again, when I take those pants off those hangers, that's extra hangers that I'll have to hang up other stuff. And then when I put it together, I have everything together. I want to wear this shirt and this pants, they're gonna be together. Sets, they'll be together. It's not like I broke it up. Even though I don't have to wear it as a set, I feel like it's gonna make it so much easier. So I got that. And then I picked up another one of these. I showed you guys in the Shein haul, I have picked up some of these, and let me tell you, I'm loving how it's looking. So easy to find stuff, so easy to put it on and whatnot. This is the one that I showed you guys that was like a little rolling rack. I put a couple here. But again, going into fall, I might change this out to like, you know, more hoops, more black, more darker colors, not so much of this frilly stuff, because so I got another one. And then lastly, what is these? Well, I think this is for my son. I got him another sweater, and this is the controller. It looks like it's melting. Let me tell you, these, so good, so good. I got him one with the Halloween guys. This one, there's another controller. He looks like he's squishing it. The material is nice, not so heavy, and it just is nice. So nice. The coloring, everything, so nice. So yeah, that's what I got. And I think I'm gonna start taking a few things that I'm gonna be putting away and then trying to move things out. Like stuff like this, I feel like I can transition. It's dark, even though it's short. If I put on a cardigan with it, you should be fine. Like, you look kind of dark before, so, but there's some other stuff that I know I'm not gonna wear. This week is already going down into the 70s. Next week, I think it's supposed to be kind of similar, so it's not like we're in the 80s and 90s where I could be like, nah, 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 nah. No, girl, we ain't doing that. So yeah, I think I want to switch things up again. I do like this, the fact that I have an area where it's not too much and I can show you stuff, but I need to work on this because I feel like there's a lot of stuff I'm not wearing, I'm not gonna wear, that Goodwill is calling their name. So yeah, let me know if you guys are doing organization. You know, I feel like when you change seasons, you're like, I want to fix, let me get rid of this, let me get rid of. So that's where I'm at. So I hope you guys enjoy this short kind of home needs that I need. And let me know if you've bought anything of these. Have you tried them? Did it work for you? Is it crap? Let me know down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.